Oh, hi there, shipmates. It's the captain here again with one or two more tips about using the Zoom program. And this is specifically to do with using Zoom on a tablet. That's an iPad or an Android tablet. First of all, you need to make sure you've got the app installed. And so to start off, open the home screen, which should look like this. There we go. Your home screen should look like that. What we're interested in first of all is the little wheel for settings. That's down the bottom here, little cog wheel. Click on that and you should see the settings menu. What we're interested in is meetings, so click on meetings and you should see the meeting settings. All we're interested in here is use original audio, and that should show up in green. Once you're happy you've done that, just click on the arrow to close it and then click on close on the previous menu, and that should take you back to the home screen thus. Now you want to start an actual meeting, so click on new meeting and hopefully you will see your happy smiling face looking something like that. Probably you'll also see this, which is about joining audio. Make sure you've joined some audio or other. Here on mine it's just Wi-Fi is the only option. You might have other options, but make sure you've joined audio. Then what you're interested in next is to click on these three little dots where it says more, and underneath that you will find this menu which says enable original sound, and you want to click on that. When you click on it, the menu will disappear, which can be a bit frustrating because you really want to check that you have enabled original sound. In that case, click on the three dots again and you should see disable original sound. If that's showing, that's perfect. Don't touch anything else on the menu. Just click on the screen somewhere to clear it off. And that's it. Bob's your uncle. And we should be able to hear you beautifully loud and clear with your beautiful music. So that's it from the captain. I'm signing off now. Carry on.